Hello friends, Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Twilight Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 3. Can you even believe we've gotten a lot of work done here, as you can see behind me, and I am excited to show you around the master bedroom and bathroom space today. So here we are walking into the master bedroom. I think we've still got to change out the sliding glass door, but you can see the window coverings have been taken down. So there was that big, huge arched opening there before, and now we've compressed that so that we have more wall space to work with. We're going to get a really cool barn door on that opening and then use that to access the bathroom, but so that there's just a little bit more privacy and not quite so open, contain some of the HVAC. This is where our vanity is going to be, and then up here we've got new lights in. Our can light locations are in, so that's going to be awesome. What we're evaluating right now is the ability to get the HVAC from this spot over here so that we can take it through that ceiling over to this other side and drop it down inside the master closet. There's not been a vent in there before, and so we're trying to figure out if that would work, because it was a pretty stuffy place before because there was no HVAC in there. There was no air conditioning, no heat. We were probably going to enclose this wall up here and then extend that ceiling so we get a little bit more ceiling height out of that low ceiling there. So that's a super exciting piece of this project also that we're evaluating kind of on the fly so that we can address that issue because we have the ceiling open and now we know. Over here, friends, this is going to be a big, awesome shower. Look at that arched doorway that we're going to have a couple of glass doors on, and that's going to go into and lead into our shower. We're going to have shower heads on each end of the shower. So one down here to our left, and then one around here to our right. And as you can see, we've done the plumbing in the walls over here so that as you reach into the shower, you'll turn it on right here and not have to get wet. You'll be standing in the doorway and be able to turn on the water. So that'll be fantastic for our homeowners. We're super looking forward to that. And this is where the water closet is. So you can see we've changed that wall location so that this can be a nice, large, open space. We've adjusted center on that toilet just a little bit so that we have a little bit wider opening. And then we're going to put, this is where the cabinet was before, but we're going to put cabinets on this end wall down here behind the door so that all the storage lives inside the water closet. So, yay, so much progress. Oh, friends, it's been so good. Friends, for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 3, a quick walkthrough on the master bathroom. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.